creator. We are working at cross purposes. He starts Bhagavad Gita that you are not this body, the soul. But you are doing every activity which is connected with the body. Every activity. Not a single activity of us we do for the soul. Going to the temple is also not for the soul. We believe in God also not for the soul. We believe in God for the body. Oh my God. You're using medicine to become more ill. Going to the doctor and telling him, give me some medicine. Yes, what problem you have? I've got no problem. I want problem. You to go to the temple and tell Krishna, hey Krishna, please do something for this body. So I become more bodily conscious. Right or wrong? That is our attitude. Whereas Krishna says, hey, come on, I told you that you are not this body, you are the soul. You never ask for your soul. You never ask for yourself. No, I am asking for myself. No, you are asking for your body, not for yourself. So you have a tiff with him. You fight with him. Do we not do this? That is why all this world is in a problem. And world constitutes of us and we are in a problem. See, the world is not in a problem. Actually, we are in the problem. That's why the world is in a problem. Right or wrong? World constitutes of us. When the unit is in a problem, then whole is a problem or not? The whole is never in a problem. The unit actually, this wall, if I say, is weak. Why it is weak? Because the bricks are weak. How can the wall be weak without the brick being weak? The weakness of the brick actually leads to the weakness of the wall. You say, world bekar ho gayi. Hey, tu bekar hai. The world is not bad. You are bad. You are making the world bad. So please change. That's what Prabhupada is saying. That is why Bhagavad Gita as it is. To tell us the purpose for which Krishna came to this planet, and he comes only once in 860 crore years. So would you not like to understand why he comes? You should try to understand why he comes. What purpose is there that God comes here? Comes here to take us back home, back to God. He comes here to take us back home. But we, no, I don't want to go. I want to get punished here. I enjoy the whipping. This is our nature. That's why now you go to the temple, now you study spiritual life, now you take up the religion only for one reason. For what? For yourself, not your body. For yourself. And that is the soul. So any questions? Any comments? Yes?
सर जैसे कलयुग शायद कुछ लाख सालों का ही 8,20,000 साल.
हाँ, 4,32,000 साल. 4,32,000, yes.
तो आप भगवान वापस नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि वो तो 860 करोड़ साल बाद आ.
Yes, original Krishna comes only after 860 crores. But he has already come once again. He has come as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He has come and he has told us. Now he sends his representative. They are as good as Krishna. See, if the chief minister says, I have to sign this agreement of yours, but I can't sign it, but the person who is representing me can sign it. So what do you say? Oh, it's okay. For me it is okay. Till it is valid in the court of law. Right? So in the same way, if the representative is also serving the same purpose for which Lord Shri Krishna came, then for us representative is as good as Lord Shri Krishna. नहीं यहाँ अभी now you are starting giving a chance. Previously, before you came here, you didn't give a chance, but there are so many people outside in the world. They are not giving a chance at all to spiritual life. Are they? Our own parents are not giving chance to us to spiritual life. Is it right or wrong? They think just going to the temple, dhok, just offering obeisances, oh, that's enough. No. Just asking everything is good in my family, I'm getting money, I'm getting everything fine. No, this is not fine. This is fine. There are two types of fines. Yes. This is not fine. So, now you are giving, so now give the equal amount of time which you gave for the other aspect of life. Am I talking, okay, not fully the same, but at least 50%? Am I talking too much? The amount of time till today you had given for material knowledge, actually you should give 100% time to overcome this ignorance. But okay, are we giving 50% of also of our time? No. We are not giving 50%. We are actually not giving 5% also. So that's what I request you. At least give spiritual life a chance to survive. Your child is born and you say, I'll only allow my child to breathe every 5 minutes. The child is going to survive or die? Die. So in the same way, if you don't give enough time for spiritual life, it is going to die. And then you will say it is all bogus. Right? All useless. बेकार है. और यही लोगों के साथ होता है. This is what happens with people. आध्यात्मिक जीवन के लिए समय ही नहीं देते. So please, मैं आप सबसे हाथ जोड़कर विनती करता हूँ. I beg you all to please give some time. So start chanting. Start doing what? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. महामंत्र को जीवन में लगाओ.
प्रभु जी, हम सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन की बात करेंगे, तो हाउ शुड वी रियलाइज आवर रिलेशनशिप टू गॉड?
First you have to realize yourself that who am I. पहली चीज क्या जाननी पड़ेगी कि मैं कौन हूं. Till we don't realize कि मैं कौन हूं, संबंध की बात तो आती नहीं. आती है? So now you have to follow a process. एक तरीका अपनाना पड़ेगा. तरीका अपनाओगे तो जो द क्वेश्चन विच यू आर आस्किंग, उसका आंसर आपको, जो प्रश्न पूछ रहे हो आंसर मिल जाएगा. स्वयं अपने को जानेंगे. अपने को जानने का मतलब क्या है? आज ये अपने आप को जानते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल विष्णु प्रभु आप अपने आप को जानते हैं, तो उसका मतलब अपने आप जानने का मतलब क्या हुआ? अपने माता पिता को भी जानते हैं, उनके साथ आपका संबंध क्या है वो भी जानते हैं, आपसे लगी हुई हर चीज को आप जानते हैं. तभी तो आपने, तो सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन जो कहते हैं, आत्म साक्षात्कार, दिस इंक्लूड्स एवरीथिंग. Who am I? Where am I? Who's the creator? And what is our relationship with one another? कि हमारा आपस में संबंध क्या है? ये जान गए, आत्म साक्षात्कार हो गया. आत्म साक्षात्कार सिर्फ ये जानना कि मैं आत्मा हूं, ये कंप्लीट आत्म साक्षात्कार नहीं है, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ जान जाएंगे मैं विष्णु हूं. परंतु एस ओब्लिगो आता है, सन ऑफ, किसके पुत्र हो भाई? बड़ा अनिवार्य. कहाँ हो? और भगवद गीता पूरा बता देती है. भगवद गीता एक्सप्लेन्स द होल थिंग. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? और किसी का कोई प्रश्न है? नो क्वेश्चंस. नो क्वेश्चंस का मतलब फॉलो करोगे. हाँ, कि कोई प्रश्न नहीं है उसका मतलब है ना. अंडरस्टूड मीन्स एक्ट. समझने का मतलब क्या है? कार्यशील करना. नहीं तो समझे नहीं. करते क्यों नहीं हम? वाई डू वी नॉट एक्ट? बिकॉज वी डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. वी हैव गॉट डाउट्स. शंकाएं हैं मन के अंदर. भगवान ने गीता में साफ कहा है, जो शंकाएं जिसके जीवन के अंदर, उसका तो या तो इस लोक में और ना ही परलोक में ही कुछ होने वाला है. द पर्सन who's with doubts, he's got no refuge in this world or in the next. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हरे कृष्णा. श्री श्री राधा गोविंदे भगवान की जय. श्री श्री राधा गोप श्रेष्ठ की जय. श्री श्री सीताराम लक्ष्मण भक्त हनुमान की जय. श्री श्री गौर निताई की जय. शिल प्रभुपाद की